Feeling like your strength just isn't what it used to be? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder, or you notice your muscles taking longer to recover after simple activities. Most seniors are told that eggs are the gold standard for building muscle. But what if there's an even cheaper, more effective way to stay strong, even well into your 80s and 90s? That's right, certain overlooked everyday foods can actually outperform eggs when it comes to rebuilding muscle, boosting strength, and protecting mobility. In today's video, we're revealing 3 affordable, science-backed foods that help seniors build and maintain muscle faster, naturally. The last one might surprise you, because it's something most people completely overlook. Before we get started, let me know where you're watching from today, and share what's currently your favorite high-protein food in the comments. And if you enjoy simple, science-based tips for staying healthy and strong, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health videos. Let's start with something you probably already have in your pantry: lentils. They may not look like much, but these tiny legumes pack a serious punch when it comes to muscle repair, energy, and strength, especially after 60. Most people don't realize that lentils can build muscle just as effectively as animal protein, and in some ways, even better. They're loaded with plant-based protein, iron, folate, and slow-digesting carbohydrates that keep your muscles fueled and your energy stable throughout the day. But the real magic of lentils lies in how they work inside your body, supporting oxygen delivery, recovery, and long-term muscle maintenance in ways many seniors overlook. One of the biggest challenges after 60 is slower protein synthesis. Your body simply doesn't convert protein into muscle as efficiently as it once did. Lentils help bridge that gap by providing a steady supply of amino acids, the raw materials your muscles need to repair and grow. Unlike red meat or eggs, which can be heavy on cholesterol, lentils deliver clean protein that's easy on the heart and gentle on digestion. One cooked cup of lentils contains about 18 grams of high-quality protein, nearly the same amount as 3 eggs, but without the saturated fat. For seniors with heart concerns, that's a major advantage. But protein is only one part of the story. Lentils also play a crucial role in oxygen transport, something that becomes more important with age. They're rich in iron and folate, 2 nutrients that support red blood cell production. Healthy red blood cells carry oxygen to your muscles. And when oxygen delivery improves, you feel more energetic, your endurance increases, and muscle recovery speeds up. Many seniors with fatigue or weakness are actually low in iron without realizing it. This makes lentils a quiet powerhouse for reversing that drained, tired feeling that often comes with muscle loss. And here's something few people talk about. Lentils help stabilize blood sugar and energy, which directly affects muscle recovery. Quick energy spikes from sugary foods can trigger inflammation and lead to fatigue, the opposite of what your body needs for rebuilding strength. Lentils, being high in fiber and slow-digesting carbs, release glucose gradually. This provides muscles with a consistent stream of fuel, allowing for better recovery after simple daily movements like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. That stable energy also helps prevent the midday crash that many older adults experience. Another overlooked benefit is how lentils support gut health, which is key for nutrient absorption. Many seniors suffer from digestive slowdown or reduced stomach acid, which limits how well they absorb protein and minerals from food. The soluble fiber in lentils nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, improving overall absorption and digestion efficiency. A healthier gut means your body can extract more amino acids, vitamins, and minerals from every meal, multiplying the benefits of your diet. In short, lentils don't just provide nutrients, they help your body use them better. Now, let's address a common question. Can plant protein really compete with animal protein for muscle building? Absolutely, when eaten in the right combinations. Lentils contain most essential amino acids, and when paired with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, they form a complete protein source that rivals meat and eggs. This combination supplies both the branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, that trigger muscle growth and the carbohydrates that replenish glycogen, your muscle's primary energy reserve. So, if you enjoy a bowl of lentil soup with rice, you're essentially giving your body a balanced, muscle-building meal without the heavy cholesterol load. Lentils also contain antioxidants that fight inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden reasons older adults lose muscle faster. When inflammation persists, it damages muscle fibers, slows repair, and increases soreness after even mild activity. Lentils' polyphenols, natural plant compounds, help neutralize free radicals and lower this inflammation, protecting your muscles from ongoing wear and tear. They also support healthier arteries, keeping blood flow strong, a critical factor for delivering nutrients and oxygen to working muscles. So how much should you eat? Most seniors can benefit from 3 to 4 servings of lentils per week. A serving is about half a cup of cooked lentils, easy to mix into soups, stews, or salads. If you prefer lighter meals, you can blend red lentils into vegetable soup or pair green lentils with grilled fish or chicken. And for those avoiding animal protein entirely, lentils make an excellent main source of protein when combined with rice or whole grain bread. If you tend to feel sluggish or have noticed slower recovery after daily activity, try including lentils regularly. You might find your stamina improving, your muscles feeling less sore, and your energy lasting longer through the day. It's one of the simplest, most affordable changes you can make, and it's completely natural. Before we move on, remember, maintaining muscle after 60 isn't just about how much protein you eat. It's about how your body uses it. Lentils support every part of that process, from digestion to oxygenation to recovery. That's why they're one of the most underrated tools for rebuilding strength, endurance, and independence. If you've been relying solely on eggs for protein, it might be time to give these humble legumes the credit they deserve. They're proof that sometimes the cheapest foods can deliver the most powerful results. Next, let's talk about a food that's smooth, creamy, and surprisingly powerful for rebuilding muscle: Greek yogurt. It's more than just a breakfast snack. It's a muscle recovery tool that older adults often overlook. After 60, your muscles need 2 things to grow stronger: a steady stream of amino acids and proper absorption of nutrients. Greek yogurt provides both in one simple, affordable serving. What makes Greek yogurt so special isn't just its protein content, but the type of protein it contains. It's one of the few natural foods that combine both whey and casein proteins, a duo that supports your muscles in 2 distinct ways. Whey digests quickly, delivering amino acids to your muscles within minutes. This helps kickstart repair right after movement or exercise, when your muscles are most receptive. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly. It keeps releasing amino acids for hours, allowing your muscles to continue rebuilding long after you've eaten. That means Greek yogurt doesn't just help you recover, it keeps the recovery process going throughout the day. A single serving, about 1 cup, contains roughly 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, depending on the brand. That's nearly the same as 3 eggs. But unlike eggs, Greek yogurt also provides calcium, magnesium, and probiotics, which work together to improve how your muscles function and how well your body absorbs nutrients. Calcium is crucial for muscle contraction. Every time your muscle fibers tighten or relax, calcium is at work. Without enough of it, you can experience weakness, twitches, or even cramps. Magnesium supports this process by balancing electrical signals between nerves and muscles, preventing spasms and promoting smooth movement. And probiotics, the healthy bacteria in yogurt, improve gut health, which is vital for absorbing both protein and minerals efficiently. Many seniors don't realize that gut function plays a massive role in muscle health. Even if you eat enough protein, poor absorption can limit how much your body actually uses. As we age, stomach acid and digestive enzyme production tend to decline, which means nutrients from foods aren't fully broken down. Greek yogurt's probiotics help restore that balance, enhancing digestion and allowing your body to extract more amino acids, vitamins, and minerals from what you eat. In other words, Greek yogurt helps you get more out of your meals, not just from the yogurt itself, but from everything else you eat that day. But there's another reason Greek yogurt is ideal for muscle recovery: its amino acid profile, particularly leucine. Leucine is the key amino acid responsible for triggering muscle protein synthesis, the process that builds and repairs muscle tissue. Older adults need more leucine than younger people to achieve the same muscle-building response, and Greek yogurt delivers a generous dose naturally. Combined with its calcium and phosphorus content, it helps strengthen both muscles and bones, two systems that work hand in hand to maintain balance and mobility as you age. Greek yogurt also supports metabolic and hormonal balance, which can affect muscle strength. The probiotics in it help reduce chronic inflammation in the gut, something that indirectly boosts insulin sensitivity and energy metabolism. This improved metabolism means your muscles can better use nutrients for fuel and repair. Plus, a balanced gut microbiome is linked to reduced fatigue, better sleep, and improved mental clarity, all of which support a more active lifestyle, essential for preserving muscle mass. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of it. The best time to eat Greek yogurt is either after physical activity or as an evening snack. After movement, it helps replenish amino acids and reduce soreness. At night, the slow-digesting casein keeps feeding your muscles while you sleep, when your body does most of its repair work. To make it even more powerful, you can mix in foods that enhance recovery, like a spoonful of chia seeds for extra omega-3s and magnesium, or a few berries for antioxidants that fight muscle inflammation. For seniors who are lactose sensitive, there's good news. Greek yogurt is much lower in lactose than regular yogurt, making it easier to digest. And if you're watching calories or fat intake, you can choose plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. It still provides all the protein benefits without added sugars or heavy fats. How much should you eat? For most older adults, 1 cup per day is ideal. You can enjoy it at breakfast, as a midday snack, or even before bed. It's a simple, affordable addition that supports muscle recovery, bone density, and digestion, all at once. Think of Greek yogurt as a muscle repair kit in a cup. It gives your body fast and slow protein delivery, strengthens your bones, and keeps your gut running smoothly, all of which add up to stronger, more resilient muscles. So the next time you reach for a snack, skip the sugary options and go for something that actually helps you age better. A daily serving of Greek yogurt can make a real difference, helping you move with more strength, stability, and confidence at any age. Lastly, let's talk about one of the most underestimated yet powerful muscle-building foods, cottage cheese. It's affordable, simple, and incredibly effective for seniors who want to rebuild strength, protect mobility, and recover faster. Most people think of it as an old-fashioned snack, but modern research has made something clear. Cottage cheese is one of the best foods older adults can eat before bed to support muscle repair and growth, even well into their 80s and 90s. What makes cottage cheese special is its casein protein, a slow-digesting type of protein that works while you sleep. Unlike whey or other fast-absorbing proteins, casein releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This means your muscles get a steady supply of nutrients through the night, exactly when your body does most of its repair work. As we age, our muscles naturally lose protein faster than they can rebuild it, a process known as sarcopenia. Eating cottage cheese before bed helps slow that breakdown and keeps your muscles fed, reducing loss and promoting recovery. A single cup of low-fat cottage cheese provides around 25 grams of high-quality protein, nearly as much as 3 eggs, but with far less fat and cholesterol. That's especially helpful for seniors watching their heart health or cholesterol levels. It's also packed with leucine, one of the most critical amino acids for activating muscle protein synthesis, the biological signal that tells your body to repair and grow muscle tissue. After 60, the body becomes less responsive to protein, meaning it takes more leucine to get the same muscle-building effect. Cottage cheese provides that extra push naturally, making it ideal for older adults looking to regain strength without relying on supplements. But the benefits extend beyond muscle repair. Cottage cheese also supports bone strength, which is essential for stability and balance. It's rich in calcium and phosphorus, minerals that work together to strengthen both bones and muscles. Weak bones can limit movement and increase fall risk, but pairing strong muscles with strong bones creates a solid foundation for daily mobility. That's why nutritionists often call cottage cheese a dual-action food. It strengthens both muscle tissue and the skeletal system that supports it. Another reason cottage cheese stands out is how it helps regulate metabolism and recovery overnight. During sleep, your metabolism slows and your body shifts from energy use to repair mode. Without a steady source of amino acids, it can start breaking down muscle for energy. Cottage cheese prevents this by providing a slow, consistent nutrient release, keeping your body in a positive protein balance all night. It's like setting your muscles on auto repair mode while you rest. Beyond protein and minerals, cottage cheese has another quiet advantage. It's relatively low in lactose compared to other dairy products, making it easier for seniors with mild lactose intolerance to digest. Some brands even add probiotics, beneficial bacteria that improve gut health, aid digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. That's important because a healthy gut helps your body absorb amino acids and minerals more efficiently, amplifying the muscle-building effect of every serving. To get the most benefit, timing matters. The best time to eat cottage cheese is about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. A serving of half to 1 cup provides enough protein to sustain muscle recovery through the night without feeling heavy. You can enjoy it plain or add a few nutrient-rich toppings. For sweetness, mix in blueberries or a drizzle of honey. Both provide antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation. For a savory version, add chopped cucumbers, herbs, or a touch of olive oil for extra healthy fats. If you prefer smooth textures, blend it into a bedtime smoothie with banana or oats. It creates a creamy, protein-packed drink that's easy to digest. How often should you eat it? For most older adults, 3 to 4 servings per week is ideal. If you're dealing with muscle weakness or want faster recovery, eating it nightly can make a noticeable difference within a few weeks. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to improve muscle maintenance without needing powders or supplements. What truly makes cottage cheese remarkable is its simplicity. You don't need to cook, measure, or plan ahead. Just a small bowl before bed can set your body up for stronger muscles by morning. It's an effortless addition that supports overnight recovery, bone strength, and steady energy the next day. Think of it as your nighttime muscle insurance, quietly fueling your body while you rest. At any age, your muscles still respond to the right nutrition. Cottage cheese proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to stay strong. You just need the right foods at the right time. So, before you end your day, grab a small serving, because while you sleep, this humble food works hard to keep you active, balanced, and powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us share more useful health tips with you. Leave a comment below and tell us which of these muscle-building foods you're excited to try first, or share your own experience with staying strong after 60. And of course, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you never miss our latest videos on healthy aging and natural nutrition. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.